like Christmas everywhere you go.
And going in front.
Take a look in the 5 and 10.
Christmas presents. A few of them have been wrapped.
Candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
Tree, no change. Mantle, just lit it up. Got Frosty up there.
Toys in every store.
Fireplace is going.
The prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be
some
on
batteries.
your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for
Princess's stocking. Talia's Hannah Montana
like
stocking.
Christmas.
And me and Phil.
Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow.
We haven't done a good job at skipping up on the days left for Christmas.
Soon the bells will start.
I just put a whole bunch of candies in there, and that's what Talia comes. I think we have 7 more days left. It's Princess. She's sound asleep. Well, she was earlier. Got the nativity scene going on up here. Just threw a bunch of bows up there. It's usually motion detected. It's not. There it goes. There's the nothing on front door.
Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I'm gonna zoom in on you.
Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
I see you a little bit. I can't really see your face. Turn around and look at Frosty. Maybe I can see your face that way. Yeah, I can see from this side. Here, look at me.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It is the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
She wants to come outside.
There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time. It is the most wonderful time. It is the most wonderful time of the year.
The snow globe is not working. At least it's here. That's the main thing. It's not something that's snow. We'll fix that later.
It is the most mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are so near. It's the most wonderful time. It is the most wonderful time. It is the most wonderful time of the year. Yeah.
I think it's fine.
I'll be home for Christmas.
And a happy holidays flag.
You can plan on me.
You can open the door for us.
Yeah.
Mistletoe,
I was talking to
presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me
That's this for.
where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. Christmas Eve will